As Hurricane Harvey drifts towards southwest Texas, astronauts on the International Space Station caught a glimpse of the massive cyclone from a safe viewing distance of 250 miles above the Earth. The footage was captured on August 24th as warm waters and favorable wind conditions were helping the storm charge up over the Gulf. It isn't predicted to make landfall until later tonight or early tomorrow morning. However, tropical storm conditions are expected to reach residents of the middle and upper Texas coast by later this morning.